Starting early 2023, Yamaha launched the latest version of the Yamaha XSR 155 Retro Sport. Starting in 2023, Yamaha launched 4 new colors for the XSR 155. The 4 colors are metallic red Authentic, light blue Wanderlust, metallic black Elegance and matte silver Premium. The presence of the XSR 155 with these attractive colors further supports the consumer's driving lifestyle. Using the new XSR 155 color is expected to further support a pleasant driving experience for bikers who love retro sports, with the advantages of classic design and modern technology for this motorbike, said the assistant general manager marketing, public relations PT, Yamaha Indonesia Motor Manufacturing, YIMM. This time, the matte silver premium color is also getting a refresher. Dominated by the silver color, which emphasizes the garage atmosphere, showing the freedom of a biker to express himself when driving in the style of the Yamaha XSR 155. The fenders, side covers and rear of the motorbike have been changed to silver, and the seats, which were originally brown, have now turned black. Then for those who like black, metallic black Elegance is available, which makes drivers look stylish, cool and elegant. The modern classic look of the XSR 155 comes from various angles, starting from the drip-shaped fuel tank model with dimensions that are not too big. In addition, the tandem seat section with torn bread-style contours and a stylish classic design also adds to the retro impression. No miss the round front and rear lights with modern LED technology. Up to the dashboard you can see a full LCD digital speedometer with a retro appearance equipped with a multi-information display, mid-YOI. The speedometer screen can display a variety of very complete information. To further add to the sporty impression of the Yamaha XSR 155 2023, there are still other interesting features. The foot sector has adopted an upside-down USD front suspension, which looks dashing and improves handling when driving. For matters of tires used, it also uses a dual-purpose type which designed to bridge all road conditions. Size 110/70ths for the front and 140/70ths at the rear already looks very big and steady for everyday driving. The lock combination on this classic but modern-style motorbike can be seen immediately from the front body view. The unique round lights with good lighting further highlight the classic luxury impression of the Yamaha XSR 155. Yamaha XSR 155 2023. There is no change in terms of the engine and features still the same as the previous version, only changing in terms of color appearance. Thank you for watching this video. Please support the development of this channel by sharing, liking and subscribing.